just saved me from dying of hunger.
You're welcome. Sorry, what's your name?
My name is Ikenna.
Oh, Ikenna. Okay. I don't think you're from this village, are you?
No, I'm not. I'm from the next community.
Oh, okay. I thought as much.
I was accused wrongly. The youth of my community burnt down my house, and I was banished.
Really?
That's why I'm here.
Oh my.
I'm here to look for a better job so I can start my life again.
Are you serious? Did you get burnt in the fire?
I have been through a lot. I narrowly escaped death.
I am so sorry. I am sure you must have gone through a lot. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
About the job you talked about, have you seen any?
No. That's why I'm here.
I don't know how I can help you, but I think I can talk to the prince or the princess to see if they can give you a job in the palace, if you don't mind.
You can?
I'll try, but I'm not assuring you that you would get the job, but I am going to try and talk to them.
That would be really nice.
I'll try my best.
I feel honored.
You're welcome.
But please, are you related to any of them?
No. We are friends. The princess and I, we are just friends. We grew up together. We are childhood friends.
I see. Please, what do you do for a living?
Currently, I would say I am a musician, a local musician. Yes, I love to sing. Sometimes I sing and people give me money. Actually, that day I met you, the day I was going, the first day I saw you, I was on my way to where I normally sit and sing.
Okay.
For now though, I'm still looking for something much better.
I love music.
Oh really? That's good.
I believe music is a universal language.
True.
That unites the world and that can heal the soul.
That's deep. Ikenna, who are you? I mean, look at what you just said now. It's deep.
Adeze, you have to calm down and listen to me.
There's nothing to listen to, Obina. Or you want to deny the fact that I didn't see you with a girl?
Adeze, you did.
Good.
But you have to hear me out.
There's nothing... Listen, there's nothing you say now that will make me believe you, okay? Because if you weren't up to something, why didn't you take your calls when I called?
You called me just twice, and I left my phone in the car to buy something.
Oh, and you forgot or refused to return the call.
Adeze, you overreacting.
Wow, I'm overreacting?
Yes.
Is that all you have to say, I'm overreacting? Okay, let's just say I'm overreacting. How did you meet this girl? Who is she to you? What was she doing in... Are you nuts? What are you doing with this? Did I ask you to bring it? Is it anyone you just see, any situation you bring this lousy fruit? Get out! Go! Answer. Where do you meet the girl from? Who is she to you? What was she even doing in your car? You know what? I can't even waste my time discussing with you.
Why this happening to me this way? Why? I need someone to explain. Why? Why this happening to me this way?
Obinna just told me you're mad at him because you saw him with a woman.
He's telling lies. Can you imagine him lying to me that he has nothing to do with the woman he had in his car?
He's probably saying the truth.
The truth?
Yeah.
Wait, bro. You and I know that Obinna knows nobody in this village. So how come? How did he get to know Isioma?
Wait. The person you saw him with was Isioma?
Yes.
Chinasa's sister?
Yes.
Oh, then you have nothing to worry about. They're actually good people. Very well behaved. So why are you stressing? I mean, just relax and let him explain to you what's really happening, okay?
Fine, I've heard you. I'll just take a little while so I can calm down.
Yeah, you need to calm down.
I don't want to disrespect you. That's why I'll just go see him.
I don't think there's anything to worry about. Yeah.
Thank you. Oh yeah, that reminds me. Remember it's for this for you to present your maiden. Else you won't be crowned. And there are certain decisions you need to make, but without a maiden, you can't be crowned and make these decisions. Bro, remember I told you about my friend? My friend in the city. No, listen, she is sweet, she is cool. You like her. I mean, she's someone you love to make your wife. Let me help you.
That won't be necessary. Yeah. I'll definitely present a maiden before the deadline. I promise.
You sound so sure. Do you have a bride yet?
Obinna is waiting for you, remember?
Yeah, sure.
Describe the glass of water.
I need a maiden who is beautiful inside out. A special maiden who is caring and so smart.
I have a plan on how you can get the prince.
A loving maiden.
That is my brother. I know you will do it. So tell me, what is the plan?
Remember you told me something about the day you met with the prince and had a chat with him.
I told you many things. So I can't possibly know the one you're talking about.
Both of you later went to the bar.
Yes, but what does that got to do with this?
It has a lot to do with it.
Okay, tell me, I'm curious.
The prince loves you.
That sounds good.
So, just play your own part and leave the rest for me. Okay?
I want to say that I'm sorry. Really sorry I overreacted and I drew conclusions without even hearing you out. I never knew you saved her and her sister from that fool, Agaba.
It is okay. That showed that she loved me. Because if you did not, you wouldn't have shown concern.
Thank you so much for seeing reasons with me.
And thank you too for coming out to listen to my explanation.
Well, that thanks should go to my brother.
Oh.
because he's the one that calmed the situation and talked to me like a big brother.
Wow, you see, that's why I told you I'm no longer afraid of going out, knowing there's someone there to take care of you when I'm away.
You can say that again.
Well, okay. Let me see him briefly. Okay.
Oh, that's fine. Thank you, babe.
Take care.
All right.
My friends, we have a lot of beautiful maidens in this community. I'm sure you don't stretch well enough. I don't want to sound as if I have special interest or I'm selfish. I would have suggested that you meet my daughter. Moreover, judging from what happened in this palace the other time we met, I would not like to say much on this very issue. Yes.
Uche, you have spoken well.
Thank you.
But there's something you must understand.
Okay, is it?
This entire kingdom needs a king and a queen. Not just a queen, a good queen. A queen who is compassionate,
Yes, that's true.
kind, loving, caring, smart, educated, brilliant, and most importantly, she must have a good heart. So I'm taking my time to find her.
Very good.
My prince, you remember the last time we discussed about my daughter? My beautiful and respectful daughter. She's here. Her name is Shioma. Honestly, you will love everything about her. Very beautiful. Take a look.
Ago. Ago.
Yes?
What's the meaning of all this? Are you insinuating that I don't have a daughter? I could have, I swear, brought her here. And when the prince sees her, he may accept her. But I didn't do that. So what are you trying to play? Which fast one do you want to play now?
Ikemba, maintain your peace there. I wasn't addressing you. Yes. I was only trying to help. I'm only trying to help the prince. Help the prince so that the throne of our solid kingdom will not remain empty for long.
Destiny helper! Destiny helper, indeed.
Good morning, my friends.
Yeah.
Here is Awele, my cousin sister.
Good morning, my prince.
What family is she from?
My prince, don't bother yourself. He came by sitting down there, pretending as if he does not know what is happening. He's her father. As in,
Agu, she does not live with me. How on earth do you think I will know that she's coming here? Eh?
So because the two of you do not live in the same place, has turned the two of you to effigies that do not move?
I don't know what you're saying. I don't understand you anymore.
My prince.
Yeah.
My cousin sister here told me the encounter both of you had.
I beg your pardon, what do you mean, an encounter? What are you talking about? Why don't you speak, or let the young woman speak for herself?
My prince, I'm sorry. I never wanted to tell you, but I can't hold it back anymore.
What do you want to tell me?
My prince, I'm pregnant.
Yes.
And the person responsible is you.
Yes.
What?
You remember the day we met at the bar? You were so drunk. I took you to the restroom and we had sex.
Mom! He entered.
This pregnancy is the result.
I need a maiden who is beautiful inside out.
How dare you? You took advantage of my drunken state.
Prince Osita, you just attest to the truth that you felt the presence of someone around you. So she's not lying. My daughter, I believe you.
What did you believe? What did you believe? Were you there? Did you see the prince do it? How can you believe what you did not see? Yes?
I thought you're supposed to be very happy that someone is pregnant for the prince. Or you don't want him to be crowned as our king. Tell me.
Oh, I should be happy and be clapping for you and your daughter. That your daughter is bringing a child without a father or an unknown father into the palace. You want to desecrate the palace of our kingdom?
And go watch your tongue before I do something very stupid to you.
There is nothing you can do. You clear your mouth.
You see, I never liked those two elders. One day. Never.
My problem is I don't even know what they will gain in all this.
It's obvious now that they want their daughter to become the future queen of this kingdom. So that they will have an upper hand among others.
I don't even blame them. I don't blame them. I blame Prince Osita. Why will he even fall for this in the first place?
If he would have followed me, this thing would have happened to him.
And now the poor girl is pregnant. Eh? Hey.
Ebele, I swear, if she becomes the queen, I will just resign.
How?
I will resign.
Ibuka, that means you're not loyal to the king. Not even to the prince. Why will you resign?
If she becomes the queen, we are doomed. She will make this palace a living hell for all of us. Trust me.
It will not happen. I know the princess will never allow such to happen. She will always find a way to handle it.
And guess what I will do?
What?
When you become pregnant for me. You know that. Imagine the two combination. Head. Hmm?
What's your problem?
Calm down.
I mean, when will you stop daydreaming? What's all this with you and me? We have Ogechi the free giver. We have Ndidi. And other maids. Go for them. They are your type. I'm not your type.
I won't. You know you're special to me. Why are you doing this now? Come on.
Take a head. I think the princess is back.
Okay, later.
Welcome back, my princess. My princess, I'm so sorry. Before I came out, you already left. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. What happened in my absence?
My princess, I don't think I'll be in a better position to explain. Maybe Princess Sita will.
Alright, that's fine. Just go to my car and get all the stuff there.
I just feel for the prince.
But why will Prince Osita make such mistake? Just look at me. Take a look at me. Full option. He didn't see me. He now went out there to sleep with Awele and get her pregnant. Rubbish.
What did I just hear you say?
Which of them did you hear? Open your ear. Ojugo.
Don't even let the prince hear you. Else, you'll be fired.
Really? So it is now bad for someone to aim high? It is now bad to aim high?
Yes. In your own case, it is very, very bad. I saw how lustfully you were looking at him when he came in.
Look, I wasn't looking at him. I was only looking at the girl, Wele, that is with him. Yes.
Awode, Ogechi, the drama in this palace these days is something else. So, that girl is actually pregnant for the prince.
Ojugo.
And what is wrong with this one?
Look at this one. You know you always see things in another version. You always think things in your head in another perspective. Yes, you. Maybe that is why he walked away. Because he doesn't want to stand there and be listening to your trash. Excuse me, because I won't stand there and be listening to your nonsense.
Look at this one.
I wonder why everybody is not listening to my own side of what happened. Does that mean that I talk too much? Or...
Are you sure you slept with her? Or don't you think she's just framing this entire thing up?
I'm totally confused. Like, all I can remember is I was at the bar, I had a lot of alcohol to drink, and at some point I got really tipsy and I felt like using the restroom, and I walked into the restroom feeling very, very drunk, and yeah, I was really unconscious, yeah, and I remember someone walked into that place, yeah, someone walked into that place, but I can't remember the person's face, but I strongly believe it is her because I saw her, and when I came back to my drink, she wasn't there anymore. But I'm very, very sure someone walked into the restroom with me. So it's just crazy. I don't know. I'm just totally confused.
And the pregnancy result is positive? Like you're truly sure it is?
I'm not buying that. I'm not going to take that. That's why I have to talk to my doctor about it.
Exactly.
Yeah, so she's probably lying. She's probably, trying to get me to give her money or trying to manipulate me. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yeah, so
Like, I've never ever trusted Awele for any reason. And please, do not let anyone know about this your next step.
I need a maiden who is beautiful inside out. A special maiden who is caring and so smart.
Good morning. What is good about the money? What did I do this time now? Are you blind? Of course I'm not.
Then you should know that I'm very angry. Just walk and pass. That is just what you do. Pass.
Hope all is well with her.
Agaba, you are a pro. The smartest person I've ever known in this, our community.
You can say that again.
How did you manage to do that? I mean, I didn't see that coming.
I am always ready when it comes to that kind of a game. I'm always out for victory. I knew that he is going to request for pregnancy test, so I went ahead of the game.
But wait though, Agaba. Are you sure he will not send someone to make inquiry in the hospital?
You don't need to bother yourself. It has been taken care of.
I hope so.
All you need to do is to try and remain bold. Don't chicken out. Okay?
Are you sure he will not find out the truth?
Let me tell you, Awele, Osita has a forgiving spirit, especially when you come to him with true repentance. But I tell you, our plans are not going to fail.
Thank you so much for this plan, Agaba. I so much appreciate you.
You're my sister, there's no problem. So, it's your own turn now to deliver Chinasa to me. I've done my own part, so play yours. How are we going to do it?
I will give you a feedback by tomorrow.
You give me feedback. No stories, oh. No stories, oh.
There'll be no story.
Good.
Don't talk, she's the one calling. Don't talk. Hello? Chinas, yes, I'm fine, I'm fine.
Good afternoon, my friend.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Last time I forgot to ask about your name.
My name is Isioma.
Oh, Isioma.
So what's your name?
Ikenna.
Ikenna.
Yes, Ikenna. Thank you for the other day.
No, don't mention. Welcome.
I wanted to ask, do you have a sibling?
Yes, I have an elder sister. Her name is Chinasa. Oh, why are you asking?
No. I was only asking because you're a very kind girl. Some people may not want to talk to me because they might think I'm mad.
But you don't look like someone who is mad. And I'm sure. Sorry, please excuse me. Let me answer my sister. Hello, Chinasa. I'm coming. Don't worry, I'll be there. I'm coming right now. Sorry, please, I need to go. You can have this. And get yourself something, okay?
Thank you.
No problem.
And please, can I go with you?
Okay. Let me get this for you.
No, it's okay. Thank you.
Hello? Hello, Chinasa. I'm back, but the door is locked. Please come on time. There's someone here to see you. Okay, just come. You see the person. Okay.
Was that your sister?
Yes. She went to our mother's shop. Okay, let me get something for our guest. Okay, you can have this.
I thought you said you bought it for your sister.
Don't worry, this is mine. My sister Owen is still inside. Yes, you could take it.
And if you give it to me, what would you have?
Don't worry about me. I'll prepare something else for myself.
But really, Awele, you didn't try. You didn't. Because Choma said she always tell you how she feels about this person. And you never for one day mentioned that you have interest in him. Why didn't you tell her now?
Honestly, Chinasa, I didn't do it intentionally. I was only trying to help the prince so he would not weigh on his body or mess up the bar. I was surprised when he grabbed my breast and started pressing it. Honestly, you have to understand now. I didn't know when I fell for it. Honestly.
Anyway, you just have to find a way to resolve this issue with Chioma because she's not happy. She's not happy at all. She feels betrayed. We are all friends. You should have told her.
She shouldn't see it that way. After all, she was there when I narrated the story of what happened. No problem. I will see her and talk to her, make her understand it the way it's supposed to be.
On your own.
Let me see you off now.
No need. Just try and resolve the issue you have with her. No go. Okay. Later,
Papa, what are you doing here?
I'm going out.
Going out?
Yes, Papa.
But I told you to wait for me, so that when I come back, we'll talk about it.
Papa, there is nothing to talk about. I'm no longer interested. I will have succeeded, so what are we going to do about it?
Oh no, this is not my daughter talking. I don't want to believe that you have given up easily.
Papa, I've given up. Me, Choma, have given up. I don't have strength for this their drama.
It's all right. Let us go inside.
Inside the compound? Ha. Papa, me, I'm not going inside though. That madman I told you about is there now.
Inside the compound?
Yes, he's seated with Isioma at their frontage. Me, I can't go. If you go there now, he will start constituting nuisance.
Let me see him.
Papa?
Yes, I want to see him. Let me see him.
He will start constituting nuisance.
Let me see him.
Are you sure you're okay?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want anything?
Who are you and what do you want here?
My name is Ikenna. I am a friend to Chinasa.
What business do you have with her?
Chinasa and I are good friends. I'm waiting for her to return.
Listen, we don't accept mad and frustrated people in this compound. Better get up now and walk out of this compound before I use this walking stick on you. You were responsible for my daughter's ill luck.
I am trying to understand you, old man.
May your father not live as old as I am.
Stop it! What is it? Why are you embarrassing our guest?
I will use this
What
walking
is
stick.
it?
Just guess.
Are you trying to assault her with the stick?
Stay out of this. Stay out of this. You are a total stranger. She's my late brother's daughter, and that makes her my daughter as well. So you have no right over our family affairs. Just keep quiet and stay out of it.
Isiago. I'm aware of your atrocities. I'm also aware that you have been terrorizing this family and treating them very poorly. It has to stop. Else, I'll report you to the king, to be Prince Osita, and the entire council of elders. I know that you and Ikemba are trying to force the prince to marry your daughters. You have associated with Agaba. Agaba is known for no good. Be warned. The eyes of the palace is on you.
Isioma,
You are back.
yes. Was it the one you said was looking for me?
Yes. He saw me on my way back and I told him you're my sister.
Oh, okay. Ikenna. Oh, sorry, you were sleeping. Ndo,
Oh.
sorry.
You're back.
Yes. How are you?
Fine. Welcome.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm all right.
I met her on the way. We had a conversation. And she told me she's your sister.
Yes, she's my sister. I was even wondering who she said was looking for me because I don't have much friends in this village. It's just Chioma and Awele. So, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm all right. I'm good.
I know you're surprised to see me.
Of course I am.
You didn't think I was going to show up. To think of what your friends did to me.
Yes, I honestly didn't think you would come. I am sorry about what they did.
But can we go somewhere else and talk? My mother might come in anytime and I don't want to start. You understand? If you don't mind, please.
Shoma, I was planning to see you. We need to talk.
Talk about what? So you think I'm happy with you, right?
Please hear me out.
If you touch me one more time, I swear I will blow your teeth out. Devil.
Choma, take it easy.
Barbaric friend. Choma, be careful with your words.
Be careful with what words? No, be careful with what? Are you not a devil? Are you not a demon in woman form? Did you just slap me?
Stop! Stop! What is it? What's the meaning of this nonsense? Eh? Stop now. What is it, Choma? What is your problem? Allow me to deal with her. Why would you slap her? What's wrong now? What's wrong with the two of you?
Why would she be behaving like that? Huh? She's supposed to be happy that her girlfriend is getting married to the prince.
Yes, it is. I don't know if it is envy or something.
Hey! But you girls have come a long way. You've come a long way. Huh? Okay, see what we're going to do. Just allow her for now. Allow her for now. Let tempers calm down. Then later you talk to her. Oh?
You don't get it, Agaba. If people were to be there to witness what happened, they would have think I snatched her husband away from her. She even called me a demon.
Huh? Was it that serious? Was it that serious that she called you such name as a demon?
Yes. She even called me a monster. A barbaric one.
A monster?
Agaba, this is funny. This is not funny. Why are you laughing?
I am laughing because of what you just said. Wait, so Chioma has that kind of nonsense mouth. She has such stupid mouth. Why would she call you a monster?
Anyway, I'm happy because I gave her a slap. So the next time she will not call me by that name. She called me a monster. After all, she's my friend. She's also a monster.
I will, please. I don't want to laugh too much. You know, both of you are friends. A close one like that. And I believe that both of you have a way of settling your differences. So I don't want to stay in the middle. And I believe that you have a way of settling your differences. So please do it. Okay? Just calm down. Please, just calm down. Calm down. Okay?
Please, Chinasa. I apologize on behalf of your sister. When I realized your sisters, I convinced her to bring me to your house. Please don't be angry with her.
Come on, it's okay. I'm not angry. No, it's all right. I understand.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
So how about the job we talked about?
About the job, I have not told them yet. See, they have a situation in the palace now, so I want them to resolve it first. I want everything to die down before I can bring up the issue of job. I can't just, in the midst of everything going on, tell them about it.
Okay. You see, the truth is, I can't wait to start working. So I can take good care of myself. And also help a lot of people in need.
That's so nice of you. And I like the sound of that. Don't worry, you'll get a job soon. I'll make sure you get a job.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Ikenna. Why are you smiling? Did I say something funny?
I just remembered some of today's events. How I professed love to someone very special.
You did what? Are you serious? Ikenna, that's so courageous of you. And I thought you said you don't have friends in this.
I have friends, but not here.
Oh, okay. You don't have friends around here, but you have friends. So.
Mm.
So, what was her response? What did she say? Tell me now.
The answer to that question lies in your hand.
Special maiden who is caring and so smart.
How? I don't understand.
Chinasa,
Ikenna.
do you love me?
Special maiden who is caring and so smart. A loving maiden with a garden of roses.
Oh, well, Prince Osita.
Yeah.
I totally agree with your idea that you should come with your doctor to take the samples for the tests. But I must advise you. You see, Ikemba, Awele's father, must not be aware of this. Agaba must not be told. Even Awele must be put in the dark. It is when she comes that she will find out what you are up to.
Thank you for your kind words. You're right. And I can clearly understand why my father trusted you so much.
Well, you see, your father and I have come a long way. He is the brother I never had. My prayer is that you should find the right woman to marry. You see, a good wife supports the husband, builds the family with love, care, and understanding. You have a very big task ahead of you. And if you get into the hands of the wrong woman, your reign as a king will be valueless.
Awele, I told my maid Ebele to get down because I want to discuss something very important with you. That was actually why I also brought you all the way from the palace to this place by myself.
So, what is the discussion all about?
Name your price. How much do you want? How much do you want?
What is the price for?
This entire pregnancy thing. Don't tell me you don't know what I'm talking about. This entire pregnancy thing, I want you to put an end to it and quit the thought of marrying my brother.
So are you directly telling me to abort the baby in my womb?
I don't know. I don't know what you want to do about it. And listen, I don't know what you and your father is up against though. I don't know what you guys are up against because I know too well that you're not pregnant. Deep down in my heart, I know this is just a scam, and you know that.
So you think. Anyway, he brought his own doctor to carry out his own test. Let us wait and see where our fate is. Let us know what our fate will be. For the price, keep it to yourself. I don't need it.
A special maiden who is
Excuse me.
and so smart. A loving maiden with a garden of roses. A unique maiden that is not full of roses. She has a heart of full of gold. In trying times she stand as gold. I will give her my shoulder to lend. By my side she stand as queen. I need a maiden who is beautiful inside her. A special maiden who is caring and so smart. A loving maiden with a garden of roses. A unique maiden that is not full of curses. She has a heart of full of gold. In trying times she stand as gold. I will give her my shoulder to lend. By my side she stand as queen. I need a maiden who is beautiful inside her.
I have been restless since my encounter with that madman. How come he knows so much about the palace? Who is he? Who is he? That is a mystery. That is a mystery.
Boduku.
Oh, such a lovely voice.
Thank you.
Keep it up.
Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you.
Auntie Shinasa.
Ah, Nneka. Nne, how are you?
I'm fine. Good morning, Mom.
Good morning. Were you here when I was performing?
No, I just came.
Oh,
It's a
okay.
pity I didn't watch your performance today.
Oh, so sorry about that. But don't worry, you watch another day, okay? You know the time I come out?
Yes.
So try and come on time. Hmm?
But remember you promised to teach me one of your songs.
That's true. So did you speak to your brother?
No.
You didn't talk to him again?
No.
But nonetheless, I will teach you, okay?
Okay.
Don't worry. You know what? Where will you sit now? Okay, you mind standing?
No problem.
So which one do you want?
That song, Oboduku, the one that talks about our community.
Haha, you like it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, hold on, let me finish your second. So
That's the entire story. That's exactly how it happened. I apologize for not seeing you since the last time we met. Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay. I understand. You know, when I heard it the first time, I didn't believe it. But hearing it from you now, the whole thing, I now believe.
You see, Awale and I don't have anything. We don't have any bond together. In fact, I can't do a thing like that. She took advantage of me. That's evil, you know?
Well, as it is now, you don't have a choice.
Maybe I do have a choice. If you'd do me a favor.
How?
I want to tell the elders that you got pregnant for me before she did, so that her plans of becoming the queen would be aborted.
I should fake a pregnancy. My prince, my prince, I can't do it. I can't live with the guilt of faking a pregnancy for my prince to become a king. Besides, Awele is my friend. I cannot betray our friendship.
It's entirely not so, but at this point, Awele is a risk to my kingship. Alright? And the fact that she is with Agaba makes it even worse.
My prince, there is nothing you say that can justify what you want me to do. This is me betraying a friend and lying to the whole village. It's not right.
So do you prefer to save your friendship with Awele to the detriment of the entire people?
Prince Osita, there are some things you don't present as an option to someone. This is a very difficult decision, choice you're giving me. I can't do it.
Are you indirectly calling me a bad person and I'm trying to split your friendship with Awele?
No, that's not what I'm talking about. It's just that I'm not saying you're a bad person. I'm not. You're a very good person. That's why we are friends, and I don't need anybody to tell me the kind of person you are. But the thing is, in this situation, there's nothing I can do. If it were the other way around, maybe it would have been easier for me, but I'm sorry, I can't.
Special maiden who is caring and so smart.
Awele, you're very funny. Why will you tell me that you're confused over something that you have the answers to?
But she's ready to offer me anything if I agree to her terms. I know that will help a lot. Getting married to the prince and becoming the future queen will limit me from some certain decisions. I know the prince doesn't like me, even at Daisy, and elders as well.
Not when your father and I are behind you.
Agaba, what about the test? Have you forgotten that the doctor is someone we don't know? What if they found out that everything was faked?
I am Agaba, the fearless masquerade that moves around with arms, destroying things just to get my victory. Awele, I always have my way. Don't worry yourself over nothing. Everything will be handled.
Agaba, you always have a way to erase my fears.
My sister, I am with you to the end.
Chinasa, I have decided to quit the fighting and quarreling between I and Awele. I just want to make peace.
Now you are talking. I like the sound of that. So what you do for me is try and locate her so you two can sort things out. Because you know, if you leave Awele, she will carry this thing on her mind till the end of the world. You know her, she carry things on her mind. So you have to find her yourself, track her down yourself so you two can make peace.
But there's one thing I want you to do for me.
What is it?
You follow me. You do the talking.
Is that all? Hey, no problem now. You know me. I'm all for peace.
You follow me.
I'm for peace and not for war. But I'm not in the bush.
Thank you. What about your madman friend?
Choma, please don't say it again. His name is Ikenna, not madman. No, I'm serious. You people should stop addressing him like that. Why would you be calling him a madman now? You don't know that guy is very intelligent. If you sit down with that guy and have a discussion, if that guy talks, you'll find out that all that guy needs is for you to package him, like touch him up. Oh, you're doing like this. You will not know when you tell him, baby, I love you.
God forbid. That's a baby me alone. No.
Meanwhile, why did you even ask? Because I've not seen him for some time now.
Yeah, it's just that my father said something that got me worried.
What is it?
My father said he called his name and other elders. And that he knows the happenings in the palace.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
Really?
That guy is a mystery no one can decipher. Even the first time I met him, the words that came out from his mouth were reasonable.
Prince Obinna. Yeah. I don't believe that girl. But have you located the hospital where the test was conducted?
Yes, I have, but unfortunately, I was told the doctor who conducted the test no longer works there. And the nurses, they confirmed she came with Agaba to run the test. And the funny thing is, when I requested to see the records, I was told it's been erased from the system. And the doctor is in a better position to give me details.
Okay, so you have to wait for your doctor.
Certainly.
I just hope this comes out negative.
Well, I hope so too.
Please, excuse me.
Go ahead.
Your
It's fine.
sister.
It's fine.
Yeah, hello? Yeah, I'm still with your brother. Yeah, I will do when I'm through with him. Okay. Sorry for interruption.
No, it's okay. If she needs your attention, you can quickly go and see her.
Yeah, I will, but we still have to talk. So, what is your other plan?
My other plan didn't work. Yeah.
So, when are you getting a feedback from your doctor?
Hopefully tomorrow.
I hope this test comes out negative.
I hope so too.
Good afternoon.
Isioma, how are you?
I'm fine.
What of Mama?
She's at the shop.
Oh, she's still there?
Yes.
Okay, welcome. Isi, when was the last time you saw Ikenna?
I can't remember the last time I saw him. Why do you ask?
The last we saw, we agreed to meet yesterday somewhere where we always meet. And I went there yesterday, but he didn't show up. I waited for him almost all day. He didn't show up. And I wanted to give him money to buy clothes and clean up because I already begged Osita to give him a job and he has accepted.
Well, are you sure the prince will agree about it?
He already accepted.
Because of what you told me last night.
The prince is not like that. He's a very nice person. He's not a selfish person. He's a very understanding person. He has the interest of his people at heart.
Okay. So what did he say?
He asked me to come with him today, but Ikenna is nowhere to be found. I can't even reach him because he does not have a phone.
I see the reason why you're really worried.
My darling, that's not even all. I spoke with Choma this morning, and the things he told me, he said some things that got me worried and confused.
Prince Osita, at least speak to us. What is the result saying?
Doctor, is this the result? Because it says positive.
Yes, her result tested positive, so she's right.
My prince, now that your doubt is clear, you have any other thing to say?
In 3 days' time, the marriage holds.
This is what friendship is all about. No matter the fighting, the grudges, whatever be it, at the end of the day, we all come together and resolve the issue and continue our friendship. And that is sisterhood.
Chioma, I want to appreciate you for your understanding and forgiveness towards me at last. Honestly, I'm relieved when I said that. I thought our friendship has ended. But here we are, the three of us, still talking together.
Yes.
That was hurt. But again, I said to myself, why keeping grudges? We've come a long way.
Exactly.
So I just had to let it go.
Thank you.
You're welcome, but no thanks. Thanks should go to Chinasa. Because it was all her idea that brought us here. So thank Chinasa. See her. Thank you.
Chinasa.
Thank
this
you.
reunion.
No, really, you girls are welcome. I can't be here and you two are not in good terms now. What's the essence of me being a part of you people? I am happy we've resolved it. And also, I want to use this opportunity to say congratulations to our latest queen, Queen Toby. Your Highness, Your Highness.
Do you want juice? Your Highness, do you want juice? Should I call the maidens to serve you? Congratulations. And my queen, I hope we'll have a very special place in that palace. I mean a reserved place for us.
Very important. Important.
We are friends to the end. Please, Chinasa, sing that song that you wrote for us.
Sing.
You people like to stress me.
Sorry.
It's not like you give me money.
You like money, eh? Just like money.
Okay, I'll sing it only on the condition that you will be my backup singer with a good voice. If your voice is not good, don't sing.
We are ready.
We are ready.
Let's go. My princess, I'm sure Princess Sita is aware of it.
He's aware of it, but I don't know about it. I mean, he didn't tell me about it. Sita should just know that he's meant to tell me stuff like this. Okay, what if something happens to him? I'm meant to know. I know he's in charge, but he needs to let me know.
My princess, you worry too much. He will be fine.
Why didn't any of you let me know?
My princess, we thought you were aware of that.
Just go, please, leave.
Adese, his phone is finally off.
His phone is switched off, exactly. Osita doesn't know that he's putting his life in danger. He needs to put his phone on. I need to call him.
I think Osita have a reason why he sent those guys out of this palace. Okay, but don't worry, I'll go and look for him. Okay?
Oh, fine. I'll go with you.
No, Adese, you don't have to. Okay, if you leave now, who is going to look after the palace?
You're very correct. I'll just stay back then.
That is good. Okay? Let me run along and search for him.
Thank you.
scatter everywhere. We scatter everywhere.
Are we?
Are we?
Please don't tease me, don't start, okay?
We are the good.
I go like, we are the good eye. We are the good eye.
Seriously, you're singing already? Yes, now. We're getting ready for it.
So guys, I'm leaving you here now. I need to go and buy stuff to make food for my father.
Okay, we'll see tomorrow and plan the marriage.
I'm always available. I'm available. I'll see you tomorrow.
Don't worry, we'll see you at home later. Eh?
Sure.
Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. Awele, I'll leave you here now. I need to go and make money. I need to sing and make money for your marriage now.
At least see me off small now.
I thought you were going this way.
No. I want to go and see someone. And then please follow me. After when we are coming back, you can go to wherever you want to go.
This is the time customers used to pass.
No,
well, you always drag somebody with you.
Yeah, now that is why you're my friend.
Who's place I don't.
Yeah, hello? Hi, doctor. What's up? The result was forged? What do you mean by that? What? How could you do a thing like that? I trusted you. Are you serious? Agaba held your wife hostage and threatened to kill her if you don't forge the... That man is evil. Yeah. So, where is she now? Okay, we need to do something really quick. Yeah. She needs protection. Both of you. Can you kindly come to the palace? Is that possible? Okay, please do that. All right. Thank you. Please be careful. Be careful, yeah. Okay, cool. Right.
What happened to her?
I think she has been kidnapped.
Where? How? When?
I don't know where they took her to, but I can show you the spot. Wait, let me call Agaba. Agaba's number is not me. Will you take me to that place? Let's go.
Enter the bus now.
That way.
Come on. Come on, come on.
This place. Are you sure? Yes. Let me go. I'm so we don't need them to come back from Rose. If they come back to come and kidnap us. Wait, which way did they take to win? Let's go back.
Help me, my sister is in trouble, sir. My sister is in trouble.
Are you not the one I helped with her sister?
Yes.
From the bastard?
Sir, that man has my sister. I don't know what he's going to do to her, sir. Danger, please, you need to help me.
You know what? Get into the car. Take me.
Who are you and what do you people want from me?
Tell us the truth.
The truth about what?
The pregnancy that you faked.
Okay.
Start talking.
I didn't fake any pregnancy. I am pregnant for the prince. Please don't kill me.
You are still lying.
No.
I will have to behead you since you can't come up with the truth.
No, please.
Speak!
No, don't kill me. I'm not pregnant. I'm not pregnant. I am not pregnant.
Finally.
It was faked. Please. Oh, Palace guards. I won't call no more.
You sit down
please,
there.
We can settle this thing. Please, let's settle this thing. Please.
Settle this.
Let's settle it now.
Let me have
please.
We have evidence of everything you just vomited out of your mouth.
I won't call no more. I am finished.
You met your Waterloo.
Huh? Where are they? I don't know. Hey.
Agaba, it's the sub. Afa, my robbers, make a move. I don't play my own match.
Obi, your task never finished now. Now your task won't start. What did they talk?
Wait, I don't understand. What did they play? Which kind of task again? I don't understand. I beg my robbers, make a the elf. I beg time no day.
No, now be coming down now. I need to chop this girl now. This girl don't they do guy for me. I need to chop her now.
Baba, that one I know they for the way to me and you align. I beg my robbers, make a move.
I don't understand now. Why they hide now? Why they hide now? Because say you hold knife, Abi. Why they hide the grace? Why they hide me the grace? You dey mad? Hey, come on, you hold your thing for me, Abi. You hold. Come on, come on, try something, the grace. You the grace? You the grace? Ah!
Obina, stand up. Sorry. No, I'm listening. I can hear you. I'm here.
Eh? Obinna survived. Ah, thank God. Thank God. Ah, now I am relieved. What of Agaba? He did not make it. Hi. Oh my God. Kai. May his soul rest in peace. I know, but anyway, okay, yeah? No problem. It's okay. Thank you for the call. At least I am relieved a little. Okay. No problem. I'll call you later, eh? Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye.
What a good news.
What do you mean good news? Agaba died. You say good news.
Because it's death.
Anyway, you're right. But even at that, at least he deserved a second chance.
Which second chance?
May his soul rest in peace. Isioma, I want to use this opportunity to say thank you. Thank you for being such a wonderful sister. I mean, who would have thought that a tiny girl like you would be so brave? Eh? Who would have thought that this Obere and Chico will be this brave? Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
God knows if anything had happened to you. Same with Mama. I won't even be able to bear it. I won't too. Because you're not only my big sis, you're also my mentor.
Yeah, I can see. You're learning from the best.
Girls are not at the palace.
Mama, welcome.
Mama, welcome.
Hey, my dear. You're not at the palace.
Mama, she said she's not going no. So I decided not to go as well.
Chinasa, any reason for that?
Mama, I don't think I can stand Awele being punished. I know she deserves it, but she's still my friend. I rather don't see it.
What she did deserves punishment. She deserves to be penalized. I mean, there wasn't any reason for her to have done that. She deserves it.
Hello, Mom.
Please.
My prince, welcome.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Please, get seat for him.
No, it's okay. It's okay. I don't have to sit down. Chinasa, how are you?
I am fine, my prince. You're welcome.
Thank you. I'm here to see you. Chinasa, you occupy a very special place in my heart. And I've come to realize that you are totally different from every other maiden in this community. Not because you are the most beautiful, but because you have a beautiful heart. And I have decided to make you my queen. I want you to become the queen of Obodo Ukwu. I want you to marry me.
I am sorry, my prince. I don't know what to say. I am sort of confused.
What are you confused about? About Ikenna?
How did you know about Ikenna?
I don't know how you're going to feel about this, but I apologize in advance. I'm Ikenna.
What do you mean you're Ikenna?
I disguised myself for a purpose. And you are that purpose.
Are you saying... You're saying you've been Ikenna all this while?
Yes. I disguised myself to find the right person. And I found you. I apologize.